Welcome to a special edition of Takeaway Chinese. In this bite-sized episode, we focus on one Chinese word, making it quick and easy for you to learn and use. Let's get started.
The word we're learning today is 烟花. 烟花, fireworks. Here are two examples. 烟花表演开始了. The fireworks display has started. 烟花表演开始了. 烟花表演开始了. 烟花在夜空中绽放. Fireworks lit up the night sky. 烟花在夜空中绽放. 烟花在夜空中绽放. 烟花 fireworks. 你学会了吗？
If you enjoyed this extra segment and want to catch the video version, just search for Takeaway Chinese on Facebook or YouTube. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop us a comment and let us know how you like our new edition. See you next time.